Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok creator fund invalid country. So guys, if you're a content creator on TikTok and you are applying for creator fund on TikTok account and you are unable to do this because there is a problem that called invalid country, here I will show you how can you fix it. So I simply watch this video till the end. So I first of all go back to your home screen, and from here you have to open the settings in your device, and after this you have to scroll it below and tap on general, and from here scroll it below, tap on date and time, and turn on set automatically from here if it is off. So I turn it on, and after this scroll it below, tap on language and region, and select your country or region from here correctly in the region section, and after this scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management, and make sure that there is no connected VPN in this device. So if there is any connected VPN, then disconnect it, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you're still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is open the general section again, and from here tap on iPhone storage and wait for some seconds here, scroll it below and tap on TikTok, and from here you have to offload your TikTok app from here for one time. And after this go back to your home screen and open your app store and search here for TikTok. So guys, here is the TikTok app. You have to simply download and install the latest version of TikTok in your device. So guys, simply download and install the latest version of TikTok in your device, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you are still facing this problem, then you have to contact TikTok support team that will help you to fix this problem, and that will guide you how to get rid of this problem, and they will provide you some information regarding this problem. So as hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.